Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to achieve the notes on your Google Keep Notes. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to achieve the notes in Google Keep, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, long press the note that you want to achieve. Now just click on this three dot option on the top. You will see an option called achieve. Just click this. So now you will achieve. If you don't want to achieve, click undo option below, which actually showing. So this is how you just achieve. Or if you are inside the note, here you will see an option on the corner, on the top corner you will see achieve box. Just click this, which actually notes has been achieved. You just can click on achieve. If you want to achieve a multiple notes, you just long press on the notes and select the notes that you want to achieve, and just click this on the three dot and click on the achieve option, which actually achieve your notes on your Google Keep. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. If you're having any doubts about any technology and any applications, you just comment below. I will make a video about it, and we will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.